This is your friend Sharron Frammingham talking today about Easter treats and sweet wisdom. Did you have a lovely Easter? I hope you did. Do you still have lots of treats in your house or were they all gone by Monday? I love sweet treats, especially cake and chocolate. And as a farmer's daughter, there was always an abundance of food in our house growing up. So I'm accustomed to large portions for every meal. When you have a sweet tooth, this can be a dangerous combination. Sweet treats in large portions is never a good idea. It didn't go well for me. I ate far too much and I was not healthy. But now that I'm older and wiser, I know I don't need to be afraid of missing out. I like to bake healthy cakes with a butter substitute and low sugar. But Easter is the biggest celebration of the year. So I baked closer to a traditional recipe with more sugar than normal. But it was still my creative version. And I have to say, very yummy. And it was super tempting to serve myself an extra large portion. But afterwards, I don't feel great. I've learned that to be kind and generous to myself, it doesn't mean an extra generous portion and to eat only what you need. Otherwise, you'll get sick. We don't need to miss out on the treats, but it might be a good idea to take a smaller piece. Our bodies will thank us, and a smaller treat portion means it lasts much longer and there's more to share around. Remember, friend, that today is a good day, even when it doesn't feel that way. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.